Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade plan in Proton Mail on PC. Upgrading your Proton Mail plan increases your storage limits, unlock premium features, more email aliases, custom domains, more email, increased sending limits, and lets you choose plans like Proton Mail Plus, Proton Unlimited, Proton Duo, or the Proton family. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, you can find this address bar, type down proton.me and enter it. Go to the sign in over here in the top right, find your mail under this. And over here, you need to go to this all setting in the top right corner, and after that in the left hand side we can find the subscription upgrade plan. Click onto this upgrade plan over here, and over here you can unlock your premium features by upgrading. You can select your Mail Plus, Proton Unlimited, or Proton Duo as well, and you can review the available plans for the individual, for families, or Duo, or the business plan as well. Simply select any of the Proton upgrade. As I'm going to select over here, select Mail Plus, and over here you can also review and subscription and pay. You can select for the 24 months, 12 months, or the 1 month as well. And after that you need to pay with the US dollar over here. You can also select to the payment details or your PayPal, credit or debit after that, and select to this PayPal over here on the right hand side. As I'm going to select to this credit or debit, and you can select to this pay US dollar amount due here, and you can review the purchasing amount, enter the payment information, and you can proceed to the confirmation as well. And after payment succeeds, your plan upgrades immediately. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help on upgrading on Proton Mail. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.